Hello, thanks for stopping by. Isn't this pretty? So the LED bulbs I bought probably 4 months ago off Amazon have started doing the flashies. I have no idea what's going on with these bulbs. I've never had LEDs do this. I don't know if it was a bad batch or what's going on, but they just started like doing a strobe effect. Out of the 10 or so that I purchased, I've got probably half of them, 5 of them started doing this. So if anybody's ever seen this, let me know. I ordered a better batch off of Amazon. These were the cheapest I could get off Amazon. I ordered some better ones. We'll see what happens. I guess you get what you pay for. Anyway, yeah, don't buy the cheapest LED bulbs on Amazon. That's our tip for the day. Thanks for stopping by.